is a new road goes to Port Arlington. I think 2 years ago. We're so close now, my idol. Gutom na, mga idol. Gutom na. Big roundabout. Ooh, my
roundabout onto Drysdale bypass.
My God, my
Continue on C123
big roundabout.
for 1.5.
Very close again, very close. Another big roundabout, and that's it,
Do I
man.
have to signal left on this one?
No,
Just go straight.
I mean right? Sorry.
Go straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, straight.
just straight ahead.
Just straight ahead, man. Straight ahead, man.
Exit the roundabout onto
Port
Arlington Road.
Arlington.
Continue on C123 for 7 kilometers.
So we're going up and then we're going down, and that's it. Port Arlington. Going up. See that? Going up. We're going up. Gutom na kami, gutom na. Malapit na tayo sa Port Arlington, mga idol. Ayan na. Going down again. Smart yun yung blama, malasing kamay siya. Again. Oh, lots of kangaroo. I see the kangaroo.
Tonton just sits there,
Yeah, just relax lang.
relax.
Oh, very green. Yeah. So we're going up again. Much as it going up. Are we there yet? Matthew, are we there yet? Yes, we are here now, my idol. Yan, bababa na naman. So sa right side dyan, may ano dyan, winery. Yan o, maraming ano dito. Maliliit pa. Grapes. Yan idol ha. Yan, ano kalawak ang Australia. Grabe. Sa right side, gusto kayo magkain dyan, no? May steak dyan, may winery. Yan o, yung puti na tulda dyan. Tawag yan, restaurant. Yan o, may yun.
Sarap eh.
Yan, malapit na tayo sa dagat. Approach na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa dagat, mga idol. Dagat na. Imagine, nagbiyahe kami ng 1 hour 33 minutes para magkape lang dito at bibili ng mussels. Yan. Ito pag January, maraming ano dito, merong mussels festival. Yan. So libre kain. Libre kain. Wow, nandiyan na ang Port Arlington. Nakikita na yung mga idol, nakita yung dagat. Yan, pababa naman kami. Yan, maraming pababa. Paibabaw, pababa. Yan. Beautiful. So remember the right side doon, they make it subdivision. Yan ang dagat oh. Yan, mga idol. Yan, marami na ditong bahay oh. Dati oh. Yeah, the right side. Remember oh. Nga na itong balay mga gusto mo na. Yan, ito.
These houses are straight up next to it.
Yeah. Remember all olives? Olive, di ba? Olive farm? Nasa Port Arlington na tayo ha. Yan.
Pick up the muscles first.
Yeah, pick up the muscles, we park on that side and that's it. So approaching na tayo, malapit na tayo sa ano,
It's ready already.
destination. Yan, mga bahay dito, dati mura-mura lang dito. Ngayon, wala kang 1 milyon, forget it. Yung mga bahay dito sa Port Arlington, yan, may bago, may mga luma, no? Pero mahal na dito mga idol, mahal naman dito kasi malapit sa dagat.
Cigarros.
Yan,
In 500
wala ding ano no,
turn left
station
onto
diyo.
Harding Street.
Wala nang station. Malapit na idol, malapit na. Malapit na kami sa ano, center. Yan, ito ng center. Yan, yan oh. Yan ang dagat, yan ang pier dyan. Yan. Ito na yung center. So ma-left turn na tayo. Is the center. Oh, daming daming tao holiday. Yan.
What's the line marking? Oh, it's this one.
We go to the other side. We park. So we get the mussels first.
Oh, they got jam donuts. Might get some jam donuts.
Yeah.
You want a jam donut?
Yes, jump to. Yan.
Oh, hot donut.
Hot donut.
Good jam.
Good jam. Ito na yung pier.
As long as you know with the girls.
Sige, park there. Ito.
There.
Wala to lugar pa.
I'll turn around.
Dito na tayo ito. Dumating na tayo. Aray ko, aray. Ay, salamat. Yan na. Ito na yung tinatawag na Port Arlington. Napakalayo. Yan. Yan o. Yan ang pier. Yan na. Yan. Okay. So kunin natin yung muna yun, no? Ito nagka-toilet.
Yeah, no.
So welcome to Port Arlington. So kunin muna natin yung ano, yung mussels na in-order natin. Yan. You going to toilet first or? Okay. Mga anak na to ni Jenny. Hello, Jenny. No, small Jenny. The young Jenny. Hello. That's Jenny daughter. I know Jenny more than 2 decades. Hello.
Thank you.
That's the granddaughter.
Granddaughter, yes.
I think that's the one she mentioned to me. Alright. See ya. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Yan, kilala namin. Yan, ito na. 5 kilos, so 35 now. Before ganito pila to? Before, only 20 bucks. Karon mahal na. Tumaas din. Tumaas yung presyo. Eh, mahal na ngayon, mga idol. So 5 kilos to ha. Okay na yan. Ha? Ang counter dai, manita kita tayo. Yan idol ha, mamaya. Ito na, mussels, sigurado. May pangulam na tayo mamaya. Pag pumunta kami sa Port Arlington, bumibili talaga kami ng mussels kay Jeannie, yan kilala. Yan. Sa loob, istuntunin na. Inside to. Yan mga idol. Yan ang toy namin. Yan. So, So lalakad lang muna kami idol, pupunta ng kakain.
Well, those ones, they football.
Yeah.
They're